Welcome to the all-new $50 million to Lend Sales Marathon. Today we have an incredible opportunity to change lives and help people reestablish their credit and drive a great-looking low-mileage car, truck, or van. Our network of lenders have over $50 million to lend right now to those who need financing. We'll show you how you can get financed even if you've had credit problems, bankruptcy, divorce, repossessions. We can help. We're ready to help hundreds of people get the vehicle they want and need right now. Call the number on your screen now. It's a call that can change your life. Now let's go to my good friend, Joe Courage.
Hello folks, I'm Joe Courage, and let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how you can hold on to some of that hard-earned cash, hard-earned money that you get and try to keep out of those paychecks? We're going to talk about that here in just a minute during this program. How about the ever-ending saga about when the car gets miles on it, do you run out of warranty, the car breaks down? Have you been thinking about that and how you can get a warranty that would last the life of the car? The life of the car. We're going to talk about that and how you can get that. Are you driving a car that gets bad gas mileage? Today we're going to talk about vehicles that get up to 40 miles per gallon, and I'm talking about numerous of these vehicles, 30, 35, 40 miles per gallon. Are you upside down? Have you thought about that? How you can get free from owing more on that car than it's worth, getting into a different vehicle with possibly a lower payment? We're going to talk about that and show you how to do that. Again, I am Joe Courage. I will be your show host today. This is a show to talk about the car business. I am at Landers McLarty Nissan, located right here at 6520 University. We're just a few miles from Highway 53, a few more miles from Memorial. Everybody knows where we are. This is our annual year-end model clearance sale. You know, it's not the end of the year, but we're at the year-end model clearance and trade-a-thon. We're going to throw in the full credit spectrum of financing because, quite frankly, during this event, we know that bad things happen to good people. Many people have had some things happen with their credit. We can help you with a car loan. So we're going to cover all of that. So you listen to this show for 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. I will tell you, you will get a lot of information. So dial the number on the screen. If you hear anything that you like, you call us. If you see something that you like, you call us. I promise you we'll be here to help. So with no further ado, let's go listen to what this person has to say. Then I'm going to take you down the road. I'll be back here in just a minute.
We have a big event going on here with interest rates being at an all-time low. That means your payments can be at an all-time low. Call the number down at the bottom and come in and see us.
Okay, here we're back, and again, I want to emphasize a couple things if you're just joining us, all right? I'm here at Landers McLarty Nissan, okay? Nissan, Landers McLarty Nissan. I say Nissan, I'm saying that 3 times so we don't get that mistaken, because we are the home of the warranty forever, and forever means forever. Warranty forever means forever. You get one of these vehicles right here from this dealership, okay? You will have a warranty forever, all right? Even if the vehicle is got remaining factory warranty on it, okay? You still get warranty forever on these pre-owned cars. Now watch this. This is a 2013 Kia Soul. And I mean, you talk about a futuristic design, here it is. I like the design on this car. 30 plus miles per gallon, okay? 30 plus miles per gallon, all right? It is a nice little 4-door, pearl white. It's got black stitched interior, a 5-passenger vehicle, really kind of a small crossover type of vehicle. 30 miles per gallon is a big deal. Payments as low as $230 a month, all right? And when I talk about these vehicles, I want to emphasize to you that we have helped thousands of people establish and reestablish credit with a car loan. So if you're sitting there saying, well, man, I would love to have this beautiful racing red 2011 model Toyota RAV. I would love to have it, but I had some credit issues. I previously lost my job and I got a job I can make a car payment, but I've had some credit problems. Look, you let your credit be our concern, because we're good at what we do. Money is available. The news, you hear it that money's available, but you also hear that things aren't so good. Listen to me. You let your credit be our concern, and we do have money to loan you. Money is available. We've got numerous lenders, multi-millions in the range of $50 million to lend right now while you're watching this. This is a small SUV, racing red, got black and gray leather interior. This is the sport model. Again, in and around 30, 31 miles per gallon on this vehicle, sport model RAV, still in factory warranty, warranty forever, lifetime warranty forever, okay? And I'm telling you, this vehicle is what I call almost new. Almost new, okay? Not new, almost new. Now, I'm gonna, I can go back into the time tunnel a little bit on this vehicle. Although this is a 2011 model Chevrolet Camaro. I mean, it is a classic beauty. Pearl white with the sunroof, got the spoiler, got the burnt orange, almost red racing stripe. Then you've got this leather interior that's this burnt orange, almost red color in the leather panel with black trim. I mean, it is fabulous, gorgeous, doesn't get much better than that, all right? I call this a lover, okay? A lover because it's a 6-cylinder, looks like a fighter, okay? But it's a 6-cylinder, gets great gas mileage. Put this baby in the garage, payments as low as $249 a month, still in factory warranty, not to mention, again, lifetime warranty forever, all right? So, onward we go here. Now, we've got this 2012 model Jeep Patriot, all right? Very, very nice. It's a 2012 model. It's not brand new, but it's almost new, all right? 2012, very nice, small SUV, black, gray interior, gets very, very adequate, good gas mileage, okay? Payments as low as $199 a month. Give me two $100 bills as a payment, give you back $1 and change. You're not gonna find that very, very often, okay? This vehicle is a great investment. I mean, I call it an investment, okay? And never, never prejudge your credit, please. Don't prejudge your credit on these vehicles because we have helped so many people with credit on these vehicles, all right? Now, pretty nice little car, isn't it? Very nice little car. 2012 model. Again, it's not brand new, it's almost new, all right? Still in factory warranty, plus lifetime warranty forever. Forever means forever, all right? Pearl white, tan leather interior. It's got this full panoramic sunroof up here. Goes sunroof from here, got a little brake to here. Got full sunroof on this vehicle. You'll love it. Your kids will love it, ladies. They will love it. They can look up at the stars at night when you're driving. Navigation, leather interior, interest rates at an all-time low. Going to bring these payments down $349 a month. $349 a month on this vehicle. And I'm going to tell you, you can't beat it. Now let me cover a couple of things, okay? First of all, we've got the lifetime warranty forever here at Landers McLarty Nissan. You're not going to see that. Forever means forever. I want to cover that because I get so many calls about it after I talk about it that people want to know about it. So I'm placing a lot of emphasis on what we're telling you there. There are so many of you driving around out there that you have no warranty left on your vehicle, or you're about to run out of warranty. Then what's going to happen when something really happens? All right? This is where you need to dial the number on the screen, need to make an appointment, okay? Make an appointment. We want an appointment. Come on down here. You'll go home tonight, put your head on the pillow, be a new car in the driveway. So trust me when I tell you that we're very, very good at what we do. So I've got more to show you. We're kind of moving on here in a grand manner. We've got people all over the place here. Dial the number on the screen and you'll see. I promise you, you will see if we're not different. Now remember, this is Landers McLarty Nissan. Nissan. Don't mistake us. We've got many dealerships in the city, okay? Do not I'm the Nissan guy. Don't mistake me with that. Don't mistake that. Nissan. Dial that number, get directions to the dealership. We're the ones with the lifetime warranty forever. Forever and ever and ever. Sounds like a song. We'll be right back.
All you have to do is call the toll-free credit hotline on the screen right now. We have finance specialists and numerous lenders to help you get financed even if you have credit problems. Don't pre-qualify yourself. Let your credit be our concern. Call us now.
Can't get a good quality car because of credit problems? Now you can do it, and we can help. Just call the number on the screen. Bankruptcy, divorce, bad credit, no credit. We can help. We'll get you into a good quality car regardless of your credit past. It's fast. It's easy. You can do it. Call us today. Hurry. Don't wait. Get the car you deserve. You can do it. We can help. Make your credit problems history. Call the number on the screen now.
All right, folks, we're back, and let me tell you something. I had to go grab Marty Kellum, our general manager, and you need to come here and meet this man, all right? He's a good man, and he's putting on quite an event. That brings me to this question,
Okay.
All right? What is going on? What is going on? What exactly are you doing? I mean, I've seen over 1,000 vehicles.
Joe, we got over 2,000 cars, and we've had this event now for several years, and I decided to actually put it on TV, offer it to the public, let everyone know that we're helping people. We're helping people get into cars, reestablish their credit. We got over 2,000 cars to choose from, and we want to help people get in cars and help their credit and get them to take advantage of these low interest rates.
Well, I'm going to tell you, I'm pretty impressed, folks, to be honest with you, that I said 1,000, but you said 2,000.
2,000 cars.
I mean, I can see that.
Right.
But when you talk about the money, you talk about the interest rates, you've got the vehicles. Is money readily available right now?
It's readily available. We have a lot of money to loan right now. Banks, they're fighting for our position. They want to sell you cars just as much as we want to sell you cars, and we're going to beat those banks up to get you the best rate and the best payment, and I promise you we'll take care of you if you come see me.
You're very good at it. I know that for a fact. But one other question. I know you got to go, and many people that are watching this, and you alluded a while ago to the fact that you help people that have had some credit issues. And about 7 out of 10 people driving down the road right here have had some kind of an issue.
Yes, sir.
And they're sitting there saying, oh, Marty, I know you can help a lot of people, but you can't help me. Can you address that?
Yes, I can. Hey, let me help you, okay? Call the number on the screen. Let me help you. Let your concerns be my concerns. You have a divorce, bad credit, lost your job, whatever it is, please call that number on the screen. Please let me help you.
Man, that's well put. Folks, dial the number on the screen. We got to go. Man, you're a good man.
Joe,
I appreciate what you're doing, man.
Dial
that number. Dial that number. We want an appointment. You love appointments.
I love appointments.
All right, hang with us, folks. We'll be back here in just a minute.
What I found was a very professional sales team, very customer driven. They walked you through every step of the process. They made sure that you understood what was going on. If you had questions, they answered them.
This is really one of my favorite parts of the show, but before I show you this, I want to encourage you. I want to give you all the encouragement that I can that you dial the number on the screen, all right? Some of these cars that I show you, they're not going to be here very long, especially when you see what I'm about to tell you. But you let your credit be our concern, okay? We're good at what we do. We are, if there's such a thing as a credit specialist in the auto industry, we've got it covered right here. You let your credit be our concern. Now, this is an interesting row of cars. This is a 2006. It's a Volkswagen Beetle. I mean, I want to call it a classic. This one's not a classic, but certainly I even grew up with the Volkswagen Beetle. A 2006 model, okay? Very economy-minded. It's a nice two-door sedan. It's kind of unique in a way. Classic tuxedo black. Classic tuxedo black, got black leather interior, very exquisite leather interior. This vehicle is going to get in and about 30 to 35, 36, 34, 33 miles per gallon. Depends on the heaviness of your foot, of course. If you don't have too heavy a foot, 35 miles per gallon. Right out of the cash corral. You got $6,900. You want to buy a car for cash, this is it, $6,900. Put a little bit of skin in the game, a little bit down on this car. Payments as low as $69 a month. I mean, you're not going to get this at $69 a month. And I'm going to tell you something. Never prejudge your credit. Don't prejudge it. You let your credit be our concern. I'm going to say that over and over and over. There's so many people that they sit there and disqualify themselves. They absolutely will disqualify themselves when it's really not necessary. We can help you. We're good at what we do, especially when you've got vehicles with payments as low as $69 a month, $100 a month, $125 a month, okay? Look here. 2005 model. It's a Kia Optima. Everybody knows what a Kia Optima is. 05 model, okay? 05 model. You need a second car for the wife, you need a car for the kid, you need to go to college with the car, you just need a runaround car that gets 30 miles per gallon. Okay, here it is. Kia Optima 05. It's an economy-minded four-door sedan. Again, tuxedo black, got a lovely beige, very rugged beige interior. Again, this car will go across the curb, we call it. That means out of the lot. $6,900. It's another one kind of back-to-back. Payments as low as $69 a month. And you say, how do we get these cars? How do we get these payments so low? Well, one way that you get these payments so low, interest rates are at an all-time low. Read the paper, read the Wall Street Journal, read the local newspaper. Interest rates, all-time low. That means payments are going to ramp downward at an all-time low. So that's how we get these payments at $69 a month. Now, again, this is an 06 model. If you want to be noticed driving down the street, okay, let somebody have a balloon right there. All right, we'll just be noticed letting that balloon fly. But if you want to be noticed going down the street, try this yellow. Okay, is this lemon yellow or is it canary yellow? It's a bright, bright yellow Xterra. It's an 06 model. It's an 06 model, and it's not going to last very, very long. You can see it's got the luggage rooftop, got the step rail if you're short-legged, okay? Payments is low, $125 a month. Payments as low as $125 a month. And I want to tell you something. If you've been told no, listen to me. You've been told no at a dealership. We absolutely specialize in saying yes. We've helped thousands of people establish and reestablish credit. Well, how do you do that? Look, a car loan is one of the best ways in the world to reestablish credit, okay? So we can help you. Don't disqualify yourself. Here is a value-priced, it's a 2005 model, Nissan Altima. If you don't know this, I almost said everybody knows that the Altima is multiple award-winning vehicle. You cannot go wrong with an Altima, with a Nissan Altima. It's an economy four-door sedan. It's very hard to find. 05 model, hard to find. Very, very nice vehicle for the price. And again, $6,900 cash corral price, or again, put a little down, payments is low, $69 a month. That's $69 a month, okay? 30 miles per gallon. Look, I'm telling you, what you save in gas on that vehicle will make that car payment. So I'm not going to say you're driving for free because you got to pay for the gas, but that's a way to look at these things when you look at these vehicles. Now, many people call, and I've had several calls and talked to several people today that want kind of a little small four-door. This has got the kind of the unique look of kind of a crossover, but it's a small four-door sedan. Nice luxury. It's black, okay? Does have the sunroof in it. Again, 30 plus miles per gallon on this vehicle. $7,900. Payments as low as $85 a month. That's not every 2 weeks, okay? That's $85 a month. And I tell you, what can I say? It kind of speaks for itself. Now, again, you saw the 05 Altima, okay? A 2005 model. You're not looking at a mirror here, all right? This is a 2010 model Nissan Altima. Again, it's classic tuxedo black, has dove gray. You seen a gray dove? This has got gray dove interior, dove gray interior, 2010 model, still in factory warranty, okay? Payments as low as $125 a month. It's another vehicle that gets 30 plus miles per gallon. And I'm going to tell you that this isn't going to last. It's not going to last. Now, I want to encourage you. I said when we started looking at these cars, I wanted to offer a word of encouragement that you dial the number on the screen, because we like an appointment here. We like an appointment here at Landers McLarty Nissan. We like an appointment. So you can eliminate a lot of red tape. You talk to us on the phone for a minute. We'll roll out that red carpet to you when you get here. We want to expect you to come here. Dial the number on the screen. Now, I'm going to say it one more time. If you're sitting there going, gosh, you know, I've had a credit glitch. I had lost my job and I've regained a job. I had a bankruptcy, a charge-off, or a foreclosure, but I'm back on my feet, okay? You let your credit be our concern, okay? We can help you. I got a lot more to show you. Don't hit that clicker, because you're going to miss something that's coming right up. I've kind of held back on this, but I'm going to show it here in just a second. I'll be back in just a minute.
Remember, good credit, bad credit, no credit, we can help. Don't pre-qualify yourself. Get the car you want. We'll be right back.
There are times in all of our lives when we need help. If you've had credit problems and need a vehicle, this is one of those times.
My credit card debt just got out of hand.
Every time I tried to get financing, I hit a roadblock. Nobody was going to help me.
Call now and we can help you get the car or truck you deserve while improving your credit.
No more financing roadblocks, and I couldn't be happier.
If they can help me, they can help you.
Hurry. Call the number on the screen today.
Hi folks, Marty Kellum with Landers McLarty Nissan. Hey, I just want to emphasize we are the only dealership with a warranty forever, and I want to clear up any questions. As long as you buy a used car from me and it's got under 100,000 miles, it will be covered for as long as you own that car. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500,000, the motor goes out, it's covered. I'll put a motor in it for you. It's covered for 1,000,000 miles. There's no other dealership in Huntsville, across the street, down the street, that gives that to you. Please come see me.
All right, folks, here we are back again. You know, part of this that I wanted to show, you know, we show the pre-owned cars and what's going on and the good deals and the warranty forever, so on and so forth. But I'm with Rod Ayers. Many people already know Rod, our sales manager, kind of new car sales manager. You're one of the guys responsible, really, for putting on this program. But we wanted to show some of the new vehicles. All right.
Right.
And I like the ones we picked because I've kind of grown up with all three of them, you know.
Absolutely.
Back when it was Dodson and not Nissan. All right, I'm dead serious. So what have you picked out here, man? I love what you picked. Tell the people what we've got.
Well, right now we've got a 2013 Nissan Altima SV. It's all new this year. Features are 38 miles to the gallon. This one in particular comes with aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, power seat. Absolutely fantastic vehicle.
Well, you've got, I mean, you know, you kind of skimmed over that 38 miles per gallon, but I mean, folks, let me tell you something. 38 miles per gallon, that's 2 miles per gallon less than 40 miles per gallon.
Absolutely.
And let me ask you something, man. What were payments on a car like this? Somebody comes in, puts a little bit down or something, what would a payment be?
Payment's going to range and start off right about $199 a month on this.
A couple of $100 a month.
Yes, sir.
And that could be in the form of a buy or lease. I mean, they can kind of pick their way whenever they come in here so gas mileage is 40 miles per gallon, $200 a month. Nissan Altima, it doesn't get much better than that.
It doesn't.
All right, now this here, I know what this is. This is a Sentra, right?
Absolutely.
2013 Sentra SV model. Tell us about that one.
This again, all new this year, 2013 Nissan Sentra SV. This is going to come standard with steering wheel controls, upgraded stereo system, and starts off at, let me say it slow, 40 miles to the gallon.
I mean, 40 miles per gallon.
Yes, sir.
And again, payments probably in and around $199 a month.
Actually, this one's on special this month, $169 a month.
$169 a month. I don't know exactly how you're going to beat that anywhere in town.
Not in this town.
Now this, I'll tell you something. We know about the Maxima. This baby looks a little sporty to me.
This is the 4-door sports car, 2013.
So it is a sports model.
It is, it is. This one is gonna get you right around 26 to 28 miles to the gallon. And right now we've got a huge sale going on, up to $6,000 off.
Up to $6,000 off. Now, folks, let me tell you something. This vehicle has got exquisite tan, it's kind of a cashmere tan, leather interior, does have the sunroof, pearl white in color. We've got a lot of amenities to this vehicle. People that come in here, you know, I know there's a lot of people sitting here that says, gosh, you know, it's hard for me to qualify for a loan. You know, I lost a job a while back. And I know we've talked earlier about bad things happen to good folks. Good folks out here driving right down the street. They've had some credit issues, may have had medical bills, may have lost a job, regained a job, had some problems. The economy's been a little shaken. Can you help them get a loan on a new vehicle?
Absolutely. It is not a credit problem, it's a credit opportunity here at Landers Nissan.
You know what you're doing, don't you? Folks, let me tell you something. I would dial that number on the screen, make an appointment. We've got pre-owned vehicles, we've got new vehicles. You've got a lot going on, brother. I appreciate you coming out here.
Thank you.
You're a busy man right here, so dial that number. I promise you we will help. Dial it. See if I'm not telling you the truth. Be right back.
I got the car that I wanted, which was a Nissan Altima, and it was a great experience.
My credit wasn't very good, but they helped me get in the car, and it was really easy.
All right, folks, here we are, right on down to the end of the show. You know, if you're just tuning in, I don't know, you've missed it, but this has been quite a program. This is our year-end model clearance sale and trade-a-thon and our full credit spectrum finance show. And if you're just tuning in, I would suggest you dial that number on the screen because we've talked about many things. In fact, we've talked about one of the questions that was asked, how can I hold on to some of that hard-earned capital, that hard-earned money out of my paycheck that seems to vanish and disappear with fuel costs, with high payments, with repair costs. We covered all of that during this show. But I don't have time to go through it all. If you've had some type of a credit glitch, a credit issue, a bankruptcy, a charge-off, something like that, don't disqualify yourself. Dial that number on the screen. I cannot say if you saw something you liked, because if you're just tuning in, you didn't see it. So dial the number on the screen, dial that number on the screen, kind of see what it's all about. I gotta go. The show is over. If you've been watching, thank you for watching. I hope to hear from you soon, but certainly dial that number. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.